Hi everyone, welcome to Bay's Kitchen. Today we are making a squid cucumber salad. The ingredients are squid tentacles, cucumber, onion, coriander, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, black pepper, and an orange. First, put a pan of water on to boil. While it heats, rinse the squid tentacles. When boiling, add the tentacles and cook for 2.5 minutes over a medium-high heat. Lift out, drain, and refresh under cold running water. Peel the cucumber in alternating strips. Then cut into bite-sized chunks. Put the squid and cucumber into a bowl. Cut an orange into quarters. Finely slice a quarter of onion. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Then the sliced onion. Squeeze in the juice from 1 orange quarter. Add 1 teaspoon balsamic vinegar. Add coriander and a pinch of salt. Mix well. Plate up. And finish with freshly ground black pepper. There are more tasty recipes on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Cozy Eats with Bay. Bon appetit, and see you next time.